We're here today at the Bush's Baked Beans Factory and Museum in Dandridge, Tennessee. Our goal today is to see if we can get Duke to tell us the secret family recipe. So far, so good. There's plenty of parking here, and we are at the museum and cafe. The factory is right across the street. This is really interesting. I'm learning a lot about the Bush family in this museum. Did you know that canning beans is not how this company originally got its start? Still looking for Duke. Where is he? Your weight in beans? Well, while we're looking for Duke, let me try this out. Are you kidding me? Duke, get off that scale. Here's his house. Let's see if he's home. Let's look in the window. Hi, Duke. There you are. No, don't go away. Well, let's go check out the cafe. Maybe he's there. When you first arrive, they give you a sample of their bean of the day. How are they?
These are really nice. They won't last very long.
Well, let's look around the general store for a while. I guess we're not going to find Duke. Wow, they have every flavor of baked bean in here. I think Marvin's up to something. Let me go see what it is.
How much did you want for that recipe? I think we can do that. Well, I certainly had a lot of fun going through this museum. It was interesting to see the history of the Bush family. And when you walk through the museum, they have little questions. And you fill out, I don't want to give away the answers, but you fill out the answers here, and it helps you decode a secret message which Duke has. And if you decode it successfully, you get a paw-signed certificate from Duke.
Yay, Duke.
And you get a picture. We got a family portrait with Duke. It was a whole lot of fun. Much more fun than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it was.
And we got to eat in their family cafe. The bean of the day was steakhouse grilling.
That was it.
And that was very good. And we split a dessert. Yum, yum, yum.
It was
I'll
good.
have to walk a couple miles to get this one off. Hope you enjoyed our tour of the Bush's Bean Factory and Museum.
If you get a chance to do this tour sometime, we recommend it, and be sure to eat in the cafe because the food is good. Thanks for joining us on our hunt for Duke and the secret family recipe. If you enjoy watching these videos, and we love having you follow us, please subscribe and you will be notified when our next video is released. Thanks for watching.